75% of our world is water, while 25% of it is dry land. But surprisingly, no one has ever seen this 25% of land. According to an estimate, more than half of the land has never been explored. This unexplored part of the Earth is actually an Arctic region, full of scary forests, dangerous mountains that talk to the clouds, and deserts that spread far and wide, where it is considered very difficult for humans to go. But whatever it is, we at least know what is on these places. But you will be surprised to know that the largest part of the Earth is such that humans know almost nothing about it, and that part is the sea. Humans know only 5% about this sea. We don't even know how deep the sea is, what other creatures are found in it other than fish, and what secrets are hidden at the deepest point of the sea. Welcome back to Scope History Videos. Viewers, the sea is so deep that our thoughts cannot even imagine. According to an estimate by researchers and scientists, if we cut all the mountains, all the land, and all the buildings in the world and throw them into the ocean, then our whole world will be filled with 3 kilometers of deep water. To understand the depth of the sea, we start with the surface of the sea. The area 40 meters below the surface of the ocean is where scuba divers are allowed to go. After that, at a depth of 93 meters, the famous British ship Lusitania was found, which sank in 1950. A little further than this, a depth of 100 meters is extremely dangerous for divers. At this point, if the deep sea divers are not careful, they stop working on different parts of their bodies due to the pressure of the water. But despite all this, an Australian freediver named Herbert Nitsch set a world record by diving to a depth of 214 meters, and Herbert made this whole record in just one breath. If we go further down from here, we have a world record of scuba diving at a depth of 332 meters, and this world record was made by Ahmed Gabar, who belonged to Egypt. If Ahmed went down another 111 meters, this depth would be 443 meters, and this depth is the same as the Empire State Building in New York. If we go a little further down to a depth of 500 meters, this is the level where the world's largest creature, the blue whale, can dive. The weight of the blue whale is 150,000 kilos, and as soon as it dives into the sea, the blue whale can go up to this level of 500 meters. The American Seawolf submarine, which is an advanced nuclear submarine, cannot go more than a depth of 500 meters in the sea. And from here on, the pressure of the water begins to show its color. At a depth of 535 meters, the pressure of the water is as much on a man as if a fat, fresh buffalo were standing on it. But the emperor penguins have the capability to tolerate so much pressure, and that's why they can dive up to a depth of 535 meters. If we go further down, to a depth of 830 meters, the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, will be found if it is put upside down into the sea. This is the point of the sea where the sunlight can reach. But if we go a little further down, at a depth of 1,000 meters, the part of the sea begins, which is called the Scariest Zone. The sunlight cannot reach below from here, and only darkness is found everywhere. At this point, the pressure of the water becomes 1/500 psi, which is as much as an African buffalo standing on a coin. Surprisingly, giant squids are also found in this scary zone, which is a terrifying creature of the deep sea. If we go further down, at a depth of 1,280 meters, the leatherback sea turtles are found. These turtles are larger than all the turtles in the world, and their weight is up to 700 kilos. At a depth of 2,000 meters, the black dragonfish is found. It is completely black like darkness in the sea, which can only be seen with a flashlight. But its own eyes are so sharp that it can easily see in the dark. If we go a little further down, at a depth of 2,250 meters, creatures such as sperm whales and terrifying colossal squids are found. These colossal squids are 14 meters long, they weigh 750 kilos, and their one eye is as big as a plate of food. They have sharp teeth in their jaws, with which they can grab their prey and kill it. Colossal squid and sperm whale are enemies of each other. As heavy as 2 road rollers, this colossal squid grabs the sperm whale and can easily kill it. The marks you see on the body of this dead sperm whale are due to the jaws of this squid. This depth of the sea is just a start. At a depth of 3,800 meters, the famous Titanic ship is still present. If we go 200 meters further down, at a depth of 4,000 meters, that part of the ocean starts, which is called the Abyssal Zone. Here, surprisingly, the water pressure is 11,000 psi. That is, it is as much as a heavy elephant standing on a coin. And here, strange creatures are found in the ocean, such as fingtooth, anglerfish, and viperfish. At a depth of 4,781 meters, the battleship Malba, which crashed in World War II, is present. If we go further down, at a depth of 6,000 meters, that part of the ocean starts, which is called the Abyssal Zone. It has been named so because in ancient Greek religion, Hades was called the angel of death, and it was believed that after death, Hades takes bad people to the depths of the ocean, where there is a scene of hell. Anyway, the water pressure in this zone increases by 1,100 times compared to the surface of the ocean. That is, the water pressure here is so high that it can tear a normal bulletproof car in a single blow. If we go further down, at a depth of 6,500 meters, that is the depth to which the U.S. Navy's research submarine can go. It is called the DSV Elwyn, and it is the same deep ocean submarine that searched for the Titanic. At a depth of 8,148 meters, the top of Mount Everest can come if it is put upside down in the ocean. After that, at a depth of 10,998 meters, it comes to the place where James Cameron went in his submarine in 2012. But in 1960, two people named Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard made a record of going deeper than this. These two went up to a depth of 10,116 meters in a submarine called Trieste. It took this submarine 5 hours to get here, but the water pressure here was so high that it cracked in one part of the submarine and they had to go up immediately. If we go further down in the ocean, the depth of 10,172 meters is the same as the height of a commercial plane. Looking down from the window of the ship, the feeling of height is that this part of the sea is so much below the ground. And in the end, the depth to which man has been able to go. This depth is more than the height of a commercial airline, which is about 11,000 meters. The person who went to this point of the sea is former naval officer Victor Vescovo. Victor did this work alone by sitting in the deep sea submersible limiting factor. This place of the sea is known as Challenger Deep, which is 300 kilometers away from Guam Island. Viewers, 11,000 meters from the surface of the sea, or even after going down 35,000 feet, researchers believe that this is not the deepest point of the ocean. This is just the point where man has been able to go so far. And whatever man has seen in the ocean so far, wherever he has gone, it is considered only 5% of the ocean. That is, which creatures are found in 95% of the ocean, which secrets are hidden there, no one knows yet. I hope you will like and share this Scope History videos. Thank you very much for your loving comments. See you in the next great video.